I'm foolish, I can't do this. I mean, look, your ass is fucking asleep. Not good for shit. Nothing at all right now. This is crazy. You've been asleep like this all night long. All night long. And now I have the videos to prove it. Bribery, 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 bribery. Mouth open, look. Who's gonna love me in the morning? Man, you wake up. Miss Anderson. And I really wish this place could open up. I want a green chili burrito. Very badly. It's coming. Wait. It's snoring. Wait. Do you hear yourself, nigga? That's you snoring. Nigga, that's you snoring. Oh my gosh. Wake up, Twinkle Toes. Wait till you see this video. You are gonna kill me. You are gonna kill me in the morning. I have video of you, mouth wide open, rose in your mouth. I have a picture where I show you my kisses didn't even wake you up. I love you, boo. Come on, wake up! This is what I've had to go through all night. I'm taking video of it so I can show you when you wake up. Smell it. Boo. We're live. We're recording right now. I know. Wanna leave this party, and I know you wanna leave with me. To chill with me, to drink with me, to be with me.
Come back, please.
Looking at me, I can tell by your eyes that you're telling me, and I really want you to get close to me. So won't you? And this nigga turns his hat and goes to sleep on me, and all this shit. I'm videoing it so I can show you in the morning. I mean today, later. Baby. Whoa. Baby, I can't tell because this nigga sleeps. Parking lot, tattoo the spot. If we can find out how to get home, this video is going to be so funny to you in the morning. And I really want to see a girl with no good booty. You saw her over there? You seen your girl with no good booty? Huh? Boo-boo, wake up, honey. Look. I'm gonna go home.
Yeah.
No, I'm gonna leave you right now.
Oh, really?
Yeah. The mean face. You'd laugh if you saw the video I have of you right now.